Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from MySQL.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily solve MySQL not turning on problem in XAMPP. It is very common problem for all the developers who are using XAMPP as a local server. That actually mainly happen due to some unexpected shutdown or some blocked port or some file crash problem. You can easily solve this. For solving this problem, first of all, you have to open my computer. I install XAMPP in my E drive, so I am opening that, and that is my XAMPP folder. So now from here, I have to open this MySQL folder. So that is my MySQL folder. First of all, you have to create a new folder. Right click, new and folder, and the folder name I am giving as data2. You can give any name, okay? Next, you have to open the data folder. Now from here just copy everything, and after that you have to paste everything inside the data2 folder. After that you have to come back to the data folder. Now from here actually I have to delete some folder. First of all, I have to delete this MySQL folder. After this performance schema, this one also, by pressing Ctrl key we can select multiple folder. After that I have to delete this phpMyAdmin folder also and this test folder also. So now let me delete them, and after that I have to delete all the files also, but you have to keep this file, this ibdata1. So press the Ctrl key and select that, so that file will be get deselected. Now from here just delete all the file. After that you have to come back here, and here you can see the backup folder. Now open that. Now from here you have to select everything and just deselect this ibdata1, copy, come back here, and here you have to paste it. Once done, let's come back here. Now let me click in the start option. The problem should be solved now. Let me check the localhost is opening or not. So as you can see, so my localhost is opening perfectly. Let me open the phpMyAdmin. Okay, everything is working perfectly now. So hope you understand how to solve this MySQL not turning on problem in the XAMPP. If you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. If you really like this video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.